Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide all drawings and indicators on your TradingView app. And now let's dive right in. Now to hide all the drawings and indicators on your chart on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, you land on this interface where you can see the chart button at the bottom left corner of your screen just beside the watch list. Tap on the chart button and you land over here where you can see the pen icon available for us over here at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the pen icon at the bottom of the screen over here. And guys, you can see currently I'm on the tool section over here. If you are somewhere else rather than the tools button or the tool section over here, tap on the tool section. You can see you can also swipe this section over here, and you can see the button here which is the hide indicators. Just tap on the three dotted icon over there. Either you can choose to tap on hide all over here by tapping on the empty circle at the left side of the button, or you can just tap on the eye icon at the right side of the button. That way it will directly hide all the indicators and drawings from over here. Let's do it. You can see all of the indicators and the drawings have been hidden. Now let's go back there by tapping on the pen icon, and again let's tap on the three dotted icon over here, and you can see it has been selected automatically. And if you want to unhide, you can just tap on the eye icon over here which has been crossed, or tap on this button over here where I'm tapping. Both ways, guys, it does the same thing. If you tap on over here, it's hidden. Now again, if you tap on over here, it's unhidden. Both ways it does the same thing, but you get to choose which you want to hide from the three dotted panel over here. And with that being said, guys, this is to hide all the indicators and drawings on your chart on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.